the home of Rolls-Royce motor cars in Goodwood, England. A place where art meets technology. We've heard it said that our attention to detail as we build a luxury car is obsessive. With the gallery feature, it's absolutely essential. That's why we've had to construct a complete clean room facility at our factory. It ensures that every component is kept clean and completely dust-free during assembly. The clean room contains a series of pressurized chambers, and the teams dress more like astronauts than the craftsmen they truly are. They perform a unique marriage of precision components, exquisite original artwork, meticulously crafted materials, and crisp, elegant faces for the all-important instrument dials. As always at Rolls-Royce, the human hand and the human eye are as important as the latest technology in this exacting process. And the result? A unique work of art that is beautiful, pure and unblemished, and will remain so forever.